My name's Craig Steele of Axminster Tools and Machinery. Welcome to this video to talk about the HW303ES Trade Series Spindle Moulder. A solid, simple spindle moulder available in single or three phase, 2.2 kilowatt single phase, 3 kilowatt three-phase power. Let's have a look at some of the features on this particular spindle moulder. As you'd expect on any serious spindle moulder, heavy cast iron tabletop and included as standard 2 cast iron extension wings. So again, as well as the cast iron tabletop, we've got a seriously heavy duty top hood, independently adjustable fences, easy access for cutter change, and of course pressure guards in and around the cutting area to keep your workpiece where it's supposed to be. So sitting on top of our cast iron table is a very substantial hood. Heavy aluminium fence plates, completely adjustable to close or open the aperture. Independently adjustable fences to get the fence aligned or misaligned for that offset that happens. Easy change access hood from the top, remove the red bit. Exposing the spindle for easy cutter change. Also supplied as standard is an aluminium built-in sliding carriage, as standard. Smooth sliding through the cutter block, so great for any end grain work, any tenons we need to cut. But also it's got a generous 1400 mil of travel if you prefer to do your panel work on the sliding table. Also within the sliding table, now this comes as standard, a very heavy duty clamp, so gripping the timber in this all important area, and a lovely, substantial, completely adjustable fence to put your material up against, 2 heavy holding handles, flip stop for repeat cuts, with the ability to be adjusted at any angle. So a fence that's completely adjustable, dropping in at positive stops, and always coming back in square. So a nice conveniently placed control box, so no kind of trying to lean underneath the tabletop to try and find your on and your off, or figure out what speed you're on, because in this box you start, you stop, your forward and reverse selection, and nicely indicated are the 4 speeds, so 1400, 3000, 7000 and 9000 RPM. So, as you'd expect on most spindle moulders these days, standard 30mm shaft. Takes a good range of tooling, so you've got 140mm inside the table and 220mm diameter, maximum diameter tooling inside the hood. Comes supplied with a generous selection of spacers to take up unused spindle. So cutter block capacity, inside the table 140mm, above the table inside the hood 220mm maximum, with a nice 100mm of spindle travel, all controlled by a nice heavy hand wheel with extra fine adjustment, just to give the ability to get that cutter exactly at the right height. So given that we've got a fairly fast running speed as a maximum of 9000 RPM, gives us the ability to run some larger router cutters. Now this router cutter spindle comes supplied as standard, held in through the main shaft via a drawbar and a nut which holds the drawbar in place. Main drive is by 2 lugs on either side of this holder, so it's a simple 1 spindle out, and the router spindle dropped in, fitting the nut underneath. And of course a series of varying table insert rings are supplied as standard, pretty much for when you're using the very small diameter cutter blocks or router cutters. Nice rubber grip, dropping into position. So with cast iron extension wings either side that are both pre-drilled to take a power feed unit. So a spindle moulder which is packed full of extras, stuff that you normally have to put your hand in your pocket and buy as an extra. Sliding table as standard, heavy clamp, and even a router cutter adapter spindle. So the HW303ES Trade Series spindle moulder from Axminster. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.